Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going through our textbook. Okay, so in this picture, what can you see? There are two girls, isn't it? There are two girls. One is Tara and the other is her friend. Okay, so there you can see Tara is asking her friend that who do you see in the picture? Who do you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? Yeah, there is a big tree, some flowers, two hens, a big coconut tree, a house, isn't it? We saw this picture earlier in the first class. Do you remember that? Okay. So now I will show you another picture. Okay, what can you see in the picture? Tara and Meenu are there, and Tara said to Meenu, "Come on, Meenu, see my Nandini Kuti. Come on, Meenu, see my Nandini Kuti." Then Meenu is saying, "A big cow and a small calf. A big cow and a small calf." Can you see that? Okay, so which is bigger? Cow is bigger, isn't it? Calf is smaller. So we will put a tick mark on the bigger cow. You can see that question, isn't it? Which is bigger? Put tick mark. So we will tick on the big cow. Now next, what can you see there? Tara and Meenu saw hens and chicks. Do you know hens? Do you know chicks? Yeah. So Meenu is saying the hen is outside and the chicks. So Tara is saying they are inside. So chicks are inside and hen is outside. Hen is outside that small house and chicks are inside the small house. So again you can see a question. Who is inside? Put tick mark. So now tell me who is inside? Yeah. Hen is outside but chicks are inside, isn't it? So we will put tick mark on chicks. Okay? So now I will show you another picture. What can you see in this picture? Yes, Tara is saying, look, the crow's nest is on the top. There must be eggs. And Meenu is saying, oh, there are ants here at the bottom. So Tara is saying, the crow's nest is on the top of the tree. Can you see nest on the top of the tree? Yes, there are some white eggs also, isn't it? And Meenu is saying, oh, there are ants here at the bottom. Do you know ants? There are so many ants at the bottom, isn't it? So, a question is there, who is at the bottom? Who is at the bottom? The ants are at the bottom. So, we will put tick mark on the ants. Okay? Now, next. Tara is saying there is a nest on the taller coconut tree. Taller coconut tree. There is a nest on the taller coconut tree. And Meenu is saying there is a squirrel on the shorter coconut tree. Okay? So, the question is put tick mark on the shorter one. Which is shorter? The tree in which squirrel is sitting is shorter. So, we will put tick mark on the shorter tree. Okay? Now, next. Now, in this picture, Meenu is saying the jackfruit of this big tree tastes like honey. The jackfruit of this big tree tastes like honey. And Tara is saying more jackfruits on the big tree and less jackfruits on the small tree. Isn't it? You can see only one or two jackfruit on the small tree and there are many jackfruits on the big tree. Isn't it? So the question is, which is less? Put tick mark. There are two columns. In first column there is only 2 flowers. Isn't it? And in the second column there is 4 flowers. Okay. So which is less? The flower in the first column. Isn't it? So we will put tick mark on that column. Okay. Now who is at the front and who is at the back? Look at the picture. Who is at the front? Yes, Tara is in front of Meenu and Meenu is at the back of Tara. So Tara walked in front of Meenu as they went to the pond. They are going to the pond. Okay. And here Meenu is saying there is spinach at the right side and plantains at the left. So at the right side there is spinach and plantains at the left. Okay. So there is a question, which one is at Tara's left? Put a tick mark. So plantains are at the left side of Tara. So we will put tick mark there. Okay. Now tell me, what can you see in this picture? Tara is saying, look at the mountain far away. Look at the mountain far away. You can see the mountains far away from Tara and Meenu, isn't it? So Meenu is saying, I want to go near it. I want to go near it. Near what? Near mountain. So Meenu is saying, I want to go near it. Okay. And at that time, Tara is saying, we can do it later. Come on. We can do it later. Come on. Okay. So the question is, which one is nearer? Put tick mark. Which one is nearer? There is a mountain in the first column and in the second column you can see pond and a fish. Okay. So which one is nearer? Mountain is far away, but the pond and the fish is nearer. So we will put tick mark at the second column. Isn't it? Okay. Now tell me, what is in this picture? They reached the kitchen. They reached the home. They reached the kitchen. Who reached? Yeah, Meenu and Tara reached the kitchen and they are going to eat some snacks. Okay. Mother gave them snacks. So you can see with Tara there is 3 laddus. 3 laddus in the plate. But in the Meenu's plate there are more laddus. There are 5 or 6 laddus, isn't it? Do you like laddu? What is its taste? It is very sweety, isn't it? So now there is a question, who has more? Put tick mark. Who has more? Meenu has more. So we will put tick mark on that column. Okay. And below that you can see Meenu is saying, wow, beautiful dolls. Beautiful dolls. And Tara is saying, these are my dolls. These are my dolls. So now you want to color this small dog. Small doll. You want to color this small doll. Okay. Now in this picture you can see a cat and a rat. A cat and a rat. Okay? You want to color the one on the top of the box. Who is on the top of the box? Yeah, cat is on the top of the box and rat is at the bottom of the box. So you want to color the one on the top of the box. And the other, below that you can see two cats are there and one girl is there, and you want to color the cat in front of Tara. So that is Tara, and you want to color the cat in front of the Tara. Which cat is there in front of Tara? Yeah, the one on the left side. Okay, so you want to color that cat. Isn't it clear? Now in this picture, they are asking which is small. Draw a circle. Which is small? Yes, the one in the right side. The one in the right side. So you want to circle that one. Okay. And again below you can see which tree is far. So one boy is walking and there are two trees. Isn't it? So which tree is far? Draw a circle around it. Okay. So you want to circle the tree which is far from the boy. Isn't it clear now? Okay. This is our last activity. Okay. What can you see there? A big cat is there and a small rat is there. Who is inside? Who is outside? Color the one who is outside. Okay. So, do you know who is inside? The small rat is inside, isn't it? And who is outside? The big cat is outside. So, you want to color the one who is outside. And below that there is a tree and you want to tell who is inside and who is outside. Okay, you want to color the one who is outside. Okay, so our chapter is over. We will see next week. Okay, bye bye, take care, have a nice weekend.